What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks, man. So dark, can't even see it. So bright, whatever. I don't know. We're at the Torrance area, so might as well check out the Nike store. I dragged everybody along. See what we find, you guys. This is the Torrance store, you guys. I think I see a 20% off Hashwell sign. See if we could find some gems. Let's see if we can find some gems, you guys. Dang, I've never seen this many SBs here. Usually they got a few. That's nuts. 109 for some KD11s. Not bad. Not the newest. I have no clue which. Oh, is this a Galaxy one? Okay, Kyrie 5 Galaxy, I guess. I've never seen these. Nike React Havoc from React Trainers. I've never seen that. Interesting. These are kind of dope. MX90s. Oh, wow. 180 bucks. Damn. I've never seen these before. Never seen those. And Vomero 14s, you guys. Yeah, 90 bucks. This is the cheapest I've ever seen these. These are the running shoes with React. They got React and Vomero. That's legit. Damn, I've never even seen them at this price, and they got what, 5 pair? Dang, man. Damn, that's crazy. Long Rose Triple Black, 160. Oh, that's retail. Get 20% off though. What's this, Paris to New York or something? Paris to New York. All for retail. That's interesting. I only saw these for 130% off at that other spot. Interesting. Clearance section is hella dry. Got these Jumpman hustles. Right, checking the Jordan stores now. Checking the Jordan section now. See, these ain't that bad. 80 bucks. Nice tumbled leather. I don't think I would get it. They're not bad. Pretty clean. 20% off. Okay, we got the 312s. I'm not gonna go over those. Every outlet got those. This looks like it's the standard price now. I haven't seen these at too many places, man. These are usually sold out in my places. I don't know. Everybody says that these are the lasers and they're not really etched on anymore. It's just kind of printed on now. So that's what a lot of people have been staying away from these. It's interesting. Got the Horseman going a little below retail. Mamba Rage. A little pricey though. They got these everywhere now. And kind of generic basketball shoes, nothing crazy. Kids section, there's really not much. I thought they had these in size 6, and I was like, wait, these are way too small. Those would have been a fine at $39. Okay, 20% off all the kids. Not bad. More kids stuff. 20% off, not bad. Back to school, you guys. Trying to go back to school. Look, 20% off. Well, even off the more premium stuff, because all the other stuff is kind of whack. But even off the 2 premium shoes. Not bad. Yeah, so there really wasn't much here. I think this place got raided because of because of the school, back to school. So there really wasn't much. Holy crap, it's bright as hell. So there pretty much was nothing, you guys. I don't know if this place already got raided because the schools out here, most of them pretty much start this upcoming week. So I think this place got raided by all the kids and families. The clearance center near my place had sales all week too, so they might have had a sale all week. So yeah, but the prices were good. They had 20% off a bunch of stuff, but didn't cop nothing. If you like these videos, make sure you press that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for joining, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.